Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Anita Dwi Kusmaulidia dengan NIM 182050049 dari Prodi Pendidikan Guru PAUD Reguler A1. Story of Cleopatra. The story of Cleopatra. Long ago in the kingdom of Marialty, there lived a king who was ruling very ideally. He had their son, who were not intelligent. None of his sons were as smart enough to rule his kingdom. The king was not him thinking for a long time, how can I make my son smart in a very short time? Yes, of course, he done. If my son were to know the description, they won't become smart very fast. Good idea. He just look a teacher who will teach his son the scripts and make them clever and smart in a short time. His minister suggests the name of Vishnu Smart on all Kisdan Pandit. But there was another problem. It won't take more than many years, even for intelligent man to grow early and the element for the scripts. Then now, Caldwell of teacher enveloped in teacher is a shorter time. What was so hard? Matt Wills. He comforted the king that he on stage. The prince about him touched the series of series, which would be more even than the scriptures. This piece of the Roman Hamlet, the story is 5 volumes long, has patient tentra. Methuselah and the Wilder for the preachers to learn about kingly behavior. The few forms of French are 1. The loss of France, 2. The winning of France, 3. Crow and the owl, 4. Loves and gains, 5. 3. Contrary action. The Brahmin and the crown Arete was a Brahmin who was very poor. He was a farmer, but the friends of land he controlled gave him very light to survive. One day, united to stand of the heart of the summer sun, he wanted a big train in his along the fresh for a while, before we could spread himself on the ground he saw in the nearby and hear a whole zebra racing with his hook upon. He thought this cobra is really the goddess of this land. I have never was he firm he wish is my I am not able to get anything from the land. From today I will horse him hard. At once he will back to his village and the rich with eyeglass of our meal. He forgot it a ball and turning to ten and decide, all of the land. I did not know we were living in this and here. That is why I have not paid my tribute to you. Please excuse me, mean, and this humble offering. He then placed the word of meal at the ending and left the place. Next day, when the Brahmin came to this land before the sun was up, he sent a gold coin in the bowl he had left in the antique. Next for him, he came along every day, collecting the coin every day, the meal in the bowl and the life. One day, this Brahmin, leaving for another village on business, asking his son to go to deal, and after meal, when the sun went the next day, he found a gold in the bowl. He collected what coin and the quill, cause this must be full of gold. It eyed the king cobra. I can do gold in a gold is every coming here every day. He then started the cobra with a big stick. With the cobra they feed the deck, the bush landing, the sun, that with his vision in the bright. Restoring to this village the next day. Harry that here to the story it all soon dealt on the ones raising the great west burning it. The Brahmin went to the anything the day after his son, cremation and offering milk to the cobra. With on the coming on his hall the cobra told her that you have come here for gold, forgetting that you have sung all soon and that the where is the morning. The legend agreed for greed. From today, there is not meaning, it's a relationship. Brother, Miss your son has turned me and I break him back. How can I forget the blow? How can you forfigure of you soundly? Finally, I am giving you for another Schumbecker. The bird window hat. I got names burn they live at the break of a lake ham and to have the single body. One day, idea which was bordering of the bank of the lake, he unforty. And delicious as embracing when the his amable, I felt absorbed the heavy with the summering. Hearing this the scorn hair sighed, one brother, let me also test the freight you are facing so much. The first had loge and sight, but also having the same storm. It makes you differ with the I am it of your aid. I send give it to your beloved, she will be very happy. Brother, this gave the fruit to be swift. The second half was disabled and this action of the first one day, the second had worn at the very fruit and the toffee first had. You tasted fellow, for the white have the to me. I will at this personal fruit and every young is right. The second had sighed, you fall if you had the phosphor is will, the big show, because we have been the somebody, ignoring with worrying. The second help and the person fruit and the blood to him that. Once upon a time, there was a good of which when there are three faithfully, but once a good one, but once a group of 11 came that where are destroyed the homes full of the right. I saw which many of them were close to die. Then the king for the light discipline to Ephraim the 11 chiefs and they request him to give his heart to another road. The 11 king, Arantus and another, not the weather and so the life were saved. One day, a group 11 tour came travel a good 11 is not them 11 kings to rating remember the king of the right. He somebody won the 11 of this horse which had nobody traveled to go and contact the king of right. Always turning to 11 to writing of heretic group of mice the day cup open the neck which travel the 11 heart. So the 11 heart was totally set free.